Is Amazon FBA legit? Yes, Amazon FBA, Fulfillment by Amazon, is 100% legitimate. It's a trusted and widely used service offered directly by Amazon to help sellers store, package, and ship products efficiently. Through FBA, sellers send their inventory to Amazon's fulfillment centers, and Amazon handles all logistics, including delivery, returns, and customer support. This program is used by millions of sellers worldwide, from small businesses to global brands, proving its authenticity and reliability. The success of Amazon FBA comes from its transparency and convenience. Sellers can monitor every aspect of their business through Amazon Seller Central, track sales, and review detailed reports on performance and fees. Amazon's infrastructure ensures quick shipping, Prime eligibility, and secure payment processing, giving both sellers and customers a safe and professional shopping experience. Amazon FBA is a legitimate business model, but success depends on choosing the right products and managing operations wisely. Many entrepreneurs have built 6- and 7-figure e-commerce brands using FBA, leveraging Amazon's reputation and massive customer base. When used strategically, it's a completely legal, ethical, and scalable way to build a real business online. You can start using Helium 10 for free right now by clicking the link in our description. It gives you instant access to all the tools you need to scale your Amazon FBA business like a pro.